po. This is Commodore Lloyd Cassis, the lead organizer for this first ever Laang-Kawal Ride 2025. Maligayang araw ng kagitingan po sa ating lahat. Time check, it's 5 o'clock and we will be having our briefing shortly. Currently, we have more than 100 riders here at NCR Command for our first jump-off point. And we are looking to have around 300 riders sa venue po. And this is indeed a patriotic ride. Patriotism through volunteerism, using our passion for riding. Let's have a safe day of riding at mabuhay po ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas. All right, ride safe everyone.
Guys, so April 9, Laang-Kawal Ride. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Meetup Camp Aguinaldo. So ito yung isa sa mga jump-off point. So nandito na kasama natin mga ibang Motor Republic riders. So ang Motor Republic is officially supporting itong Laang-Kawal Ride. This is the first Laang-Kawal Ride na gagawin. So hopefully every year magkakaroon nito ulit at palaki ng palaki. So we're expecting around 300 to I think around 500 riders today. So enjoy to. So pag alis namin dito, ang next namin is dun sa Clark na bridge, and then bibiyahin namin yung New Clark City papuntang Camp O'Donnell, tapos magkakaroon kami actually ng show of yung mga tangke ng army. So subaybayan niya kami. So nandito tayo sa Camp O'Donnell. So papunta tayo dun sa view deck. Doon magtitipong-tipo yung lahat ng mga Laang-Kawal riders. Here with Derek Yen. So Derek Yen, ano bang masasabi mo dito sa Laang-Kawal Ride?
I really appreciate yung mga riders natin joining this very patriotic ride para tulungan yung ating AFP Reserve.
Yun.
So again, pasalamat sa lahat ng riders. Tayo hindi na tayo nag-enjoy. Pamisa-misa tumutulong din.
Yes. So yan, si Derek Yen, dati hawak lang niya Harley Davidson Manila lang, no?
Manila.
Ngayon, buong Philippines na, and si Derek Yen, ang advocacy niya is hindi habang nag-i-enjoy mag-ride, tumutulong din tayo sa community. So si Derek Yen, marami yan mga ibang project for the year. Nag-uusap kami, so babalitaan niya ako kung ano yung mga iba pa niyang project. Okay.
Well, papasalamat tayo sa riding community na sumuporta dito sa Laang-Kawal Ride, no? Especially on April 9, araw ng kagitingan, tamang-tama that we give recognition to our men in uniform who have sacrificed their lives, dugo, pawis at buhay ang sinasakripisyo nila. So, yung ganitong recognition ay malaking bagay para sa kanila, no? Especially now that meron tayong very precarious situation that we are fighting for our sovereignty, territorial integrity, lalo because of the West Philippine issue. All the more that we have to support and give a moral booster to our troops, no? Dahil sila po tumataya, sila tumitindig para ipaglaban ang ating pong soberenya at protektahan ang ating pong teritoryo. So, ito'y kamakailan nagkaroon tayo doon sa Fort Magsaysay. Ngayon ay ang dami rin sumuporta doon sa SOCOM. Ngayon naman sa Armor Division dito sa Camp O'Donnell sa Tarlac. So, this is a great moral booster for our troops. So, papasalamat tayo sa riding community sa lahat ng support.
Of the Armor Capability Demonstration Team, we would like to thank you for visiting the Armor Division and witness the capability of Armor Pambato Division. Thank you for visiting us, Laang-Kawal Riders.
Good morning everyone, my name is Albert from Moto Republic. So grabe yung hinanda ng Armed Forces of the Philippines for us, the members ng Laang-Kawal Riders, no? Makikita mo lahat yan kanina, nagkaroon ng exhibition, starting from the tanks. Napagod ako kasi umakit ako ng mga tanks, ang grabe, no? And I really appreciate yung ginawa nila kanina, no? Yung exhibition, like the Armed Forces of the Philippines together with the tanks exhibition. Nagulat kami kanina, may mga pasabog pa, and also they use blank bullets kanina. So this is the first Laang-Kawal ride that was organized by the Philippine Army, and congratulations to all, also to the organizers, and we are very excited to be part of the second or 2026 Laang-Kawal next year. So stay tuned.
Maraming salamat po sa mga suporta sa napakatagumpay na Laang-Kawal Ride 2025 hosted by the AFP Reserve Command. No less than Senator J.B. Ejercito graced the occasion. Thank you so much, fellow riders. Let's continue to support our reserve force. Mabuhay po ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas.